Hey, what's up, guys? So it's me again. Today we're gonna be playing. We're gonna be playing some some jailbreak. Some jailbreak. I saw some. What the hell? This thing gets retweeted a lot. Boy, I don't know who's up. Okay, quick. 9 million. Oh, here it is. Here is the new vehicle, the third out of third. Yeah, number third vehicle. And wait, here. I just want to, most recently, no, honey. Here's the video. Wow, there's the train update for the winter update. The new motorcycles. It's kind of laggy. Sorry. Motorcycles. The train. Oh, got something here. Door. That's how you might enter the train. Here too, if you can see. There. There too. There too. And there. Jailbreak Saturday morning. So it's coming tomorrow. Eight. Nice. Boy, look at this dude. I like trains. Boy, I like trains. I don't know. This is gonna get copyrighted, so nah, I'm not getting copyrighted. So guys, the train update is coming tomorrow, Saturday morning. It's coming. It's gonna come, and it's gonna come. Obviously, it's gonna come. So that is it, guys. This is a short video, but this will be great. Okay, so guys, I think that is it for today. So, join the notification squad and